In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MailerLite to N8N. By the end, you'll have your MailerLite account linked to an N8N workflow, so you can automate tasks like adding subscribers or sending campaign data without any manual work. First, a quick heads up on what you'll need. Make sure you can sign in to your N8N instance and that your MailerLite account has access to an API key. That key is what authorizes N8N to talk to MailerLite on your behalf. Keep it private and never share it publicly. Let's start by creating a workflow in N8N. From your N8N dashboard, create a new workflow and give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. I recommend keeping it deactivated while you set things up. This helps you configure safely before anything runs. You can also add a short description to remind yourself what the automation is for. Don't forget to save as you go. Next, add the MailerLite node. Open the Nodes panel and use the search bar to find MailerLite. Drag it onto the canvas. If you already have other nodes planned, you can connect MailerLite to them later, but for now, it's perfectly fine to leave it on its own while we handle the connection. Clicking the node will open its settings, where you'll see options like resource and operation that you'll use after the connection is set. Now set the credentials. In the MailerLite node's credentials section, choose to create new credentials. This is where you'll paste your API key. To get that key, go to your MailerLite account and open the Integrations or API section, depending on your version. You'll find an option to generate or view an API key. Copy it carefully and head back to N8N. Paste the key into the credentials form, give the credentials a recognizable name, and save. If your N8N instance offers a test or connect button, use it to confirm the key is valid. If anything fails, double-check that the key is active and that you copied it without extra spaces. Once saved, your MailerLite node is connected. You can now choose the resource and operation you need, like working with subscribers or campaigns, and map fields from earlier nodes if your workflow includes them. Save your workflow, then activate it when you're confident everything looks right. That's it. Create a workflow, add the MailerLite node, and set the credentials by copying your API key from MailerLite's integration page. Keep your key secure, document your workflow, and you're ready to automate with confidence.